Hi, welcome to another Snowbots video. Hope you enjoy this one.
Are we seeing the end of traditional graphic design software? Is Adobe Photoshop one of the most iconic creative tools on its way out, replaced by AI systems like ChatGPT? It's a bold question, but it's one that many people are asking. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into whether tools like ChatGPT, combined with image generation AI, are replacing software like Photoshop, and what that really means for designers, creatives, and the future of visual content creation. So let's break it all down. No fluff, just facts. Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT, as you're probably aware, is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's brilliant at understanding and generating human-like text. And yes, it can now generate and edit images using tools like DALL-E, which it integrates with. But make no mistake, ChatGPT is not a graphic design tool in the traditional sense. It's a text-based AI assistant with some visual capabilities bolted on. Now compare that with Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop has been the industry standard for digital image manipulation and design for decades. It offers pixel level control, precision editing, non-destructive workflows, layer management, masking, blending, and countless professional features that allow creatives to build anything from subtle photo edits to magazine covers and digital art masterpieces. The two tools were never meant to do the same thing, but they're starting to overlap in interesting ways. Let's be clear. ChatGPT can assist with design tasks, and here's how. Generating ideas, need inspiration for a logo, poster, or color palette? ChatGPT can generate creative briefs in seconds. Concept visualization, using DALL-E, ChatGPT can generate rough visual mockups based on simple text prompts. Quick edits, want to remove a background or insert an object. ChatGPT with image editing can sometimes manage basic manipulations. Process guidance, it can walk you through using design tools step by step. Workflow automation, for repeated tasks or templates, ChatGPT can help speed up ideation or generate placeholder content. Style guides and branding, it can draft full branding documents, tone of voice guides, and even suggest visual hierarchy for UX or UI design. In short, ChatGPT is an excellent co-pilot. It helps brainstorm ideas, saves time, and removes creative friction, especially in the early stages. But that's very different from replacing a full-featured design suite. Now let's talk about Photoshop and why it's not going anywhere for professionals. Photoshop gives you pixel-perfect precision. Need to clean up a high-resolution photograph? ChatGPT can't touch Photoshop's tools for cloning, healing, or retouching. Advanced layer control, layers, masks, smart objects, blend modes. These are the foundation of serious digital design. Color accuracy and depth for print work, brand consistency, and detailed grading. Photoshop remains untouchable. Compatibility. Photoshop integrates with other Adobe apps like Illustrator, InDesign, and After Effects, giving creatives a seamless ecosystem. Professional tools for UX and UI, whether you're creating mobile app wireframes or web banners. Photoshop offers scalable, responsive design capabilities. High-fidelity exports. Want a CMYK print file at 300 dpi with custom bleed lines and printer marks? ChatGPT simply can't do that. So if you're a photographer, illustrator, brand designer, or visual artist, Photoshop is still the tool you reach for when quality and precision matter. Here's where things get interesting. While ChatGPT isn't replacing Photoshop, it's definitely changing how we work. Let's take a forward-thinking look at what's happening. AI is democratizing design. Non-designers can now create visuals with basic prompts. This lowers the barrier to entry and speeds up content creation. Speed over precision if you just need a decent image for a blog, social post, or prototype. AI-generated images can do the trick in minutes. Hybrid workflows. Many designers now use ChatGPT or DALL-E for idea generation, then move to Photoshop to refine and finalize. It's not either or, it's both. Rapid prototyping mockups that used to take hours can now be generated instantly with AI, allowing teams to focus on final output instead of iterations. It's not a competition, it's collaboration. AI is streamlining the creative pipeline, but the need for human input and professional tools is still critical. Absolutely not. Photoshop isn't being replaced, it's evolving. The reality is this: ChatGPT and image generation tools like DALL-E are helping with the front end of the creative process, ideas, drafts, and simple edits. Photoshop is still essential for the back end. The polish, detail, and in precision work that professionals demand. If anything, Adobe is integrating AI into Photoshop itself through tools like Generative Fill and Adobe Firefly, so that creatives get the best of both worlds. The future isn't about choosing between ChatGPT or Photoshop. It's about learning how to use both to your advantage. So, is ChatGPT replacing graphic design tools like Photoshop? No, but it is reshaping the way we create. AI isn't here to take your creative job. It's here to take your creative limitations. It's not replacing your tools, it's giving you new ones. And for the smart designers out there, that's an opportunity, not a threat. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content on AI, design, and tech, and drop a comment below. Are you using ChatGPT or AI in your creative workflow yet? Let's talk about it.